Hello and welcome back to another episode of Stardust TV. Today we're going to be talking about 5 different ways to create an internet-based income. There are literally an infinite amount of ways you can start earning money online. And they say that every millionaire has 7 sources of income. If you can create 5 different sources of income for yourself and your business, you're well on your way. Hopefully this video will get you started on the right path. And if you stay to the end, I have a special gift for you guys that will help you even more to reach your income goals. And if you're new here, my name's Melanie, and I help entrepreneurs find and utilize their untapped potential. I share a lot of online business tips here on my channel, so if that interests you, give me a like and hit the subscribe button. The very first internet-based income idea that I'm going to share with you is affiliate marketing. This is when a company offers its brand ambassadors a portion of their earned commissions when you refer new people to use their product or services. Now, you can literally search any company plus affiliate in Google and you will find that most online businesses have an affiliate program to sign up. Big ones like Amazon. Amazon has an associates program where you can link to and sell absolutely anything on Amazon's giant online store. I even offer my own Agents of Stardust affiliate program. But one of the easiest companies to get involved with right now that is super hot is ClickFunnels. Yep. Just like my domain name, ClickFunnels Star, you can earn 40% commissions or more depending on the product that you're promoting through ClickFunnels Affiliate Center. They have so many different offers right now going on. They're always adding new things for you to refer other customers to, and you receive commissions for these every single month. Their whole affiliate marketing campaign is all about how to retire in 100 days using their affiliate marketing bootcamp. So if you need more training, I highly recommend you start there. So go to bit.ly/ClickFunnelsStarAF and start earning your affiliate income. The second best way to earn an internet-based income is with dropshipping. If you don't know what dropshipping is, it is just taking a lesser expensive product from one site and selling it on another site where it is more expensive, like finding products on Amazon that are cheaper than what they're selling for on eBay. So I created my own store, which I'm not going to show you which products I'm drop shipping because that would kind of take away from my little niche that I'm trying to create for myself. But the way I go about it is I look on my phone on Amazon for some products that are related to what I do and how I help entrepreneurs get more comfortable in their creative zones. And then I go on to eBay and I see if it's selling for a more expensive price on eBay so that I can start competing and earn some sort of commission by referring these products to my eBay base. You can start this with Shopify. They have a couple of plugins that do this automatically. You can build your own store inside your website, or you can just create an eBay profile. It's super simple to start. When you first begin, the margins are not that great, but if you need quick, easy cash that doesn't come with a whole lot of work, this is the way to go. And the next one is, drum roll please, digital products. Yep, you guessed it. I've been talking about digital products a lot lately. And if you're part of my art and design mastermind community, you could possibly be contributing to a larger, greater purpose. Like a co-created giant e-course full of different experts and knowledge to help people create their dream lifestyle. Digital products are awesome. I've got a few here that I've created that are simple printables. I created these in Photoshop, but you can actually download them and print them and write on them to help you do things like organize your day and check off your social media obligation. If you don't know what a digital product is, they're things like training videos inside of an e-course, an ebook or an audio book or a podcast. And if you stay to the end, I've got something for you to help you create digital products super fast right from your phone. If you're absolutely starting from scratch and you don't have digital products to sell and you're not an affiliate of any programs or courses that you've used and participated in, start selling your creative services online, whether through your website or Facebook, Instagram, or all the other social media platforms, as well as other sites like Fiverr. Fiverr gets a bad rap, but I'm on there too for lower cost, low entry creative services that I offer, like an animated logo intro reveal for someone's YouTube channel. On my website, clickfunnelstar.com, you'll find in my shop that I have more than just digital products and printables to download. I have chatbot creation services. I can do video editing as well as graphic design if you need a business card or a new logo. And my main thing, my absolute jam, is building websites. You can start offering your services online to people now, immediately. Even if you think that you need to be there in person, you could do a Zoom call and give singing lessons over a video chat. You could help other entrepreneurs with their brand style. There's just no limit to this. If you've got a skill, start marketing it online because people need your help. Membership programs are absolutely everywhere on the internet. If you aren't part of one or you haven't seen one, a good example is like Victoria's Secret offering a VIP Angel members only card where they get like discounts to special lingerie and other things like that. But if you want to take this online and grow your own community, you've got to have premium content ready to get consumed that is exclusive to this audience only. Now, the art and design mastermind that I mentioned before is actually open to the public, but there is a paid tier where paying members get extra benefits. Things like free tickets to my live events, advertising space on my website, and a private messenger group chat room. And it's all in the same community. You can post and promote your cool art. You can also learn how to maximize your online presence. Membership programs are great no matter how big or small they are. And teaching to a group of people all at once is an amazing experience. Because not only do I help people, but the other members in this community do as well. Although I love to be a host, it's also great to not be in the spotlight all the time. So a simple way to set this up is create a hidden page that only members can access in your website that has all your content in there. And you can sign up for mine, and it's not $1,000 a year or even $97 a month. It's just $4.99 a month. It's less than 20 cents a day, and you get access to all my past trainings for free for a lifetime, all the replays, and all the cool art to inspire you to create even more. And that's it for this episode. If you want me to go into depth in any of the ideas that I mentioned, comment your questions below and I'd be happy to answer them in the next video. Thanks for watching Stardust TV. This is Melanie, and I hope your day is filled with peace and beauty. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family or entrepreneurial contacts who need this extra help.